Hey everyone, I'm Milad and welcome back to our 3D Redbox channel. Today I want to share you very useful, especially if you are a 3D artist and looking for earn income by sell your product and earn income by your skills. Okay? We spend hours for improve our skills. For example, learning software, creating models, and trying to improve our skills. But what if I told you you can turn these skills to real income online? Okay, yes, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can selling the 3D product and how you can sell a digital product on some marketplace. Maybe you are just starting or you have experience. Okay, there isn't any difference between two this. You will learn what kind of 3D model and what kind of digital product you can sell it and where you can sell them. Let's go. Mm. Let's start with simple question. What kind of 3D model can we sell? Many people think selling 3D arts, it means selling 3D character or it means selling 3D model for game. But no, there are a lot of different variation of model and 3D asset for selling. For example, also 3D model, texture, materials, or tutorials. Each of these has own market, it means own buyer, it means our opportunities. Let me check each one of down. This is the most obvious and most popular product. When we say 3D model, we mean anything created in 3D space, like characters, buildings, vehicles, weapons, furniture, or props, or really anything. But here's the important part. Don't think you need to create super complex or massive model. Even a small, clean, well-optimized model you can sell very well, especially if they're designed for a specific use like games, architecture, or animation. Also, kit bash model, low poly assets, or modular parts are in high demand because they save time for other creators. So, if you are already modeling for practice or your portfolio, then why not put those models up for
Zero.
sale?
Learning Substance Painter is easier than ever. Hey all substance lovers, texture seekers, and awesome future artists. Welcome to Ultimate Course for Learning Substance Painter from zero to hero. Ready to learn how to texture with different projects? Substance Master released a brand new course for those who want to learn to texture with Substance Painter. In this course, we cover from preparing the model to rendering different projects, different challenges. If you want to level up your skill in texturing, come and check the Substance Master Ultimate course for learning Substance Painter.
Textures are basically images that we place on our 3D models to make them look real. Think of things like the roughness of a rock, the color of old bricks, the surface of human skin, the grain of wood, the shine of polished metal. These are all done with textures. You can create a seamless tile-level texture sets, or even them texture packs like dirty sci-fi surface or slide or stylized wood. If you are good with tools like Photoshop, Substance Designer, or even AI tools, you can produce beautiful textures that others will happily buy. And the best part, Once you make a good texture, you can sell it over and over again as many times as people want it. Materials take texture a step further. They include not just images, but also how the surface behaves in rendering, like how it reflects light, how rough or smooth it is, how deep it looks. You've probably heard of smart material in Substance Painter or material presets in Blender or Unreal. These are ready-made material that can be applied to any model in one click. Artists and studios love using smart material because they save time, give professional results, and can be reused across multi-projects. So, if you've created beautiful material for your own work, you can package them and sell them too. This is an amazing opportunity, especially if you're good at explaining things. Many artists think they need to be a master to teach something, but that's not true. You just need to be one step ahead of your viewer, explain things clearly, and show your actual workflow. You can create beginner friendly tutorials, quick tips, breakdowns of your projects, or even full courses. Some people create and sell their tutorials on marketplaces like ArtStation or Gumroad. Others build a YouTube audience first, then launch paid content. Either way, your knowledge has value. So why not share it and earn from it? Okay, so now you know there are four different categories for sell your product, digital product, like 3D model, textures, materials, and tutorials. Now, maybe you ask me, okay, where can I sell this product? I'll cover it this tutorial in next video. In next video, I will tell you which platform are best for sell any of this product and each of this product. If this video it was helpful for you, please pre- pre- please press like and get the comment for me and tell me which product do you want to start for yourself.